Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you guys 5 websites you can earn free Dogecoin. Recently, there are huge spikes in Dogecoin chart, and many people are searching for a free way to earn Dogecoin without investment, and they are looking for the best video to get best explanation for it. Worry no more because you are in the right place. Today, I am going to share 5 real websites I used to earn over 40,000 Dogecoins. And these websites require no investment, all you need is your crypto wallet and you start receiving your earnings. Before we start, subscribe to this channel and comment Dogecoin to $1, so I will know you guys are ready to be a millionaire. Number 1 website, open a new tab. Type mydogecoin.info. Click on enter button, it gonna load. A new page like this gonna show up. This is a Dogecoin cloud mining, it require no investment. Let me show you how it works. First, you will register your details with this website and then you will receive a starting bonus in the amount of 100 GH/s and you will starting mining profit which you can withdraw to your wallet. Let's scroll to see their about page. And scroll up, click on sign up button, it gonna load. A new page with registration form showing up. Click the first box to enter your email address, next is your Dogecoin address, and then your unique password, and click on sign up button. You don't have a Dogecoin wallet? Let me quickly show you 2 ways to create a Dogecoin wallet. Go to Google search bar, type Trustwallet, click enter button, it gonna load, and click on download Trustwallet. It is available in App Store, Play Store, and you can download their app from their website directly. The next one is, open a new tab, go to Google search bar, type mydogecoin.info, click on enter button, click on the first link, you are seeing right here. Click on it, it gonna load. It's taking time to load. Yeah. It gonna display a new page like this. Scroll down and click on create wallet, and then enter your details and click create wallet. So after registration, copy your Dogecoin address, and paste it here, and enter your email address and password. I already have account, let me log in my details, paste your Dogecoin address here and input your password and click login. It gonna load. Here is my dashboard. You can see I have over 114 Dogecoin, and I earn 10 Dogecoin daily. Go to the left side, click on withdraw button, it gonna load. You see, the minimum Dogecoin you withdraw is 20 Doge. To withdraw, come down here, and enter your amount. And click on withdraw button. Your Dogecoin will be received by your wallet. Go to the side and click on affiliates. Here you can copy your unique link, and share it to your friends or social media platforms, then you will earn from them. Let's open a new tab. Type faucet.com, it gonna load. On this website, you can claim free Dogecoins every hour. And you will earn 0.0207 every 60 minutes. Just scroll down. And input your Dogecoin address to claim your Dogecoin. Click on CAPTCHA entry, and you will set this in order. And your Dogecoin must be from this website faucet.io. So let's open it to register and copy our Dogecoin address that we will gonna use to claim Dogecoin every hour. It's loading. You can see it's a micro payment wallet and earning platform. It's used to receive cryptocurrency payments from thousands of websites, and you later to withdraw it to your personal wallet for a very low fee. Just click on Sign Up button. Enter username, your email address, your unique password. Then click on Sign button. That's all. After you register, copy your Doge address and paste it here to claim your Dogecoin, and you will receive 0.0207 Doge every 60 minutes, paying to faucet.io. Let's open a tab, type exchanging.cc, it gonna load. Click here, and click on English, it gonna load. Then click on Free Dogecoin button, it gonna load. So here, input your Dogecoin address. You can input your Dogecoin address or mydogecoin.info Dogecoin address, and you can also use Faucet Pay Dogecoin address. Then copy your address, and come here to paste your Dogecoin address and click on Submit button. Something like this will show up. Just fill in your details and enter your security code, then click on Submit button. Here is my dashboard. You can see I have over 253 Dogecoin here. Here are amount of Dogecoin I have earned and withdrawn. Let's show you how you can something like this. Type this CAPTCHA, and then click on Submit Request. This is amount I have earned so far. You can see, it says I have won 0.00787514. Let me show you my withdrawal history. This is over 418 Dogecoin, 258 Dogecoin, 219 Dogecoin. I have a full video on my channel, on how you can earn more on this website for free. Next, let's open a new tab. Type pipeflare.io, click on Enter button, it gonna load. A new page like this gonna show up. Scroll up and click on Daily Rewards, it gonna load, and then use some steps you gonna take to start earning. Step 1, register account, click on it. A registration form gonna show up. Input your first name, your email address, and password. Step 2, after registration, click here to claim ZEC and Doge. And step 3, you will refer your friends to earn commission. That's how you earn Dogecoin on this website. The last website is, go to your search bar, type Applob, click on it, then search Dogecoin, click on it to install it, click on Start Installation, installing. And then follow this instruction, which says, you should install 2 free apps. Just scroll down and install any 2 app, and your Dogecoin app gonna install automatically. Then you will start mining Dogecoins. These are the 5 websites you can earn Dogecoin from without investment. I hope you gain value out this video. Please consider joining our awesome community by subscribing to our channel for more video like this. Thank you for watching.